Hello everyone, today I'm going to be painting an alligator. First I'm going to cover my eyes with some black Starblends powder. Then low green on a filbert brush and paint a line that starts at the inner corner of the eye, goes up and comes down and stops at the outer corner of the eye. And at the bottom of the outer corner of the eye, create a sealant around the cheekbone that goes down and ends at the outer corner of the mouth. Do the same on the other side. Draw a straight line from the top of the C-line to the outer corner of the mouth, leaving a space for the mouth opening. And fill in the top area of the alligator's face, covering the nose and the mouth, but still leaving the area for the mouth and teeth. Paint red in those open spaces. And with black on the round brush, I'm going to begin outlining, starting with the brows of the alligator and the eyes. Then grab my damp filbert brush and drag that black paint down to give my eyes some more depth. Add wrinkle and detail lines around the eyes. Outline the face and mouth. Paint the nose below my nose using two large C shapes that end at the outer corners of my mouth. And for the nostrils, I'm just going to press my brush down inside each C shape. Add some nose detail lines and a small U shape between the brow area. A few crease lines around the mouth and also the brow area. And for the teeth, I'm using white. I'm going to place the tip of my brush down and press. I'm going to alternate the point of my brush going up and down. Add a few detail lines between the teeth on the green with the flick of my brush. Outline the teeth. Add some highlights. And to finish, a green bottom lip. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.